guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub Tableau Tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain about how to do a join based upon the separate sheets, separate sheets which are present in our data sets. Without wasting any time, let us see how to do a join in Tableau. Okay guys, now first of all we need one data set. So I have downloaded one data set from the Super Data Science / Tableau website, where there is one section known as maps and scatter plot. So I have downloaded the spreadsheet from that particular website because this is the one of the suitable data to explain all the things that I am going to explain in this lecture, like how to do a join and how to create a maps and scatter plots and all. So it is this dataset is also is also useful for the further examples as well. So that is why I downloaded from Super Data Science / Tableau. So let me open this again. So this is the dataset that I have downloaded. So here we have total 3 sheets here. One is list of orders and orders breakdown, as well as sales target. So first of all, in this particular video, let us concentrate on list of orders as well as orders breakdown here. So if you consider the list of orders sheet, so we have columns like order ID, order date, customer name and city, some geographical regions here, and segment and shipment date, as well as ship mode. So if you consider this, the order ID is a unique one here. So no one particular record is having a multiple duplicate order IDs here. So we can say like order ID is duplicate primary key or something as a unique key here. And if you consider the order date, we can have multiple order dates here. So it is not a unique value here. But what it is saying is, it is saying like some customer has placed some order in that particular date, and this is the order ID for that particular order. Similarly, from where, like from which city and which country and which region he placed that particular order, and what is the type of segment he ordered, and what is the shipment date, as well as what is the ship mode that he selected for the order, as well as the state as well. So this is the first primary information about the customer of placing the order and the particular order details as well. So if you consider the order breakdown, so it will tell us like what is the product name and what is the profit, as well as what is the quantity that he placed and what is the category that it comes under. So if we consider this order ID will it can have multiple duplicate values as well. Suppose if you consider this one, so the PN 2011 some order ID is saying like we are having 2 values here. That means this particular order contains 2 products here. One is Boston markers and easy erase, and another one is Eldon folders and single bit. So one particular order they have placed 2 products with the discount of 0.5 and sales as this much price, as well as there is some profit as well. So he can place multiple quantities as well. So here we are having a quantities as well, and what is the category that it is showing, and as well as the subcategory of it. So simply what this order breakdown will say is, in the previous list of orders we have able to see about what is the order details, or what is the shipment details, and the customer from where the geographical location we have in the list of orders. But in the case of orders breakdown, we didn't have any geographical details as well as the shipment details. We only have the product details and what are the different quantities, what are the different products that he placed in that particular order, as well as how much quantity it placed and what is the profit and sales. Those details are placed in the orders breakdown. So let us consider these two. So if you consider the order ID is a unique value here in this, and this one order ID is not a unique one, but it is a foreign key of the list of orders order ID. So what we can do is, we can do a join with respect to the order ID and order breakdown in order to get the complete details of that particular order. The order contains the shipment details as well as the product details and how much quantity they placed, as well as from which region they have placed. If you want the complete details of that particular order, then you can simply need to join this. So let me do that by the help of Tableau here. So let us go there. So first of all, I need to connect the data source here. So let me connect this. So sorry, it is a Excel sheet here. So let me place it. Yeah, it loaded. So if you consider this, previously we have whenever there is some folders there, so we will be getting those values here. But if you consider here in the single spreadsheet itself, we have a multiple sheets here. So that is what it is showing here. Sheets are list of orders, orders breakdown, and sales target. These three are the sheets that we have in the like that we have in the spreadsheet that we have collected. So if you consider this list of orders and drag and drop here, so yes, here let me do it once again. So here I have placed the list of orders here. So just double click on this list of orders, and then you will be you need to click order breakdown and then drag and drop this onto the right of list of order. So what it is showing is it is doing a inner join here, and I will tell you about like how we can do the left outer join, right outer join, as well as full outer join in the coming lectures. But in this video, just for our convenience, I am just doing the inner join here, and the inner join on the basis of order ID is equal to the order ID from the order breakdown. Suppose if you want to change the equation like if order ID is less than some order ID in the order breakdown, then you can change the relation as well here. But in the case in our case, just I am placing it as order ID is equal to the order ID of order breakdown. So I am clicking OK here. So this is how it placed. Now what I am doing is I am just removing this and okay, I'm leaving that name as it is. So I am saving it. So if we go to this spreadsheet, so what you will be having is here, these are all the spreadsheets that you have. So the initial ones like city, country, customer name, order date, order ID, and till date, we are all getting this because of the list of orders spreadsheet, list of orders worksheet. Suppose if you consider this, we only have order ID until state we have. So this is coming from, these dimensions are coming from a list of orders sheet. And suppose here in the orders breakdown also we have the dimensions. So what are the dimensions that are present in the order breakdown sheet is category, order ID, product name, subcategory. So these are all comes under the these are also dimensions, but we did a join here. That is why in the dimensions itself we have two separate sections. One is for one sheet and another one is for another sheet. Similarly, the measure names is also different. Suppose if you consider here in the sheet, in the list of orders we didn't have any numerical columns here. That is why it is not showing anything. But in the case of order breakdown, we have few numerical columns like discount, sales, profits, quantity, and all. So that is why it is showing some numerical values. So these are all from the order breakdown measures. So this is how the join will look like the basic join you need to do here. This is how you need to do a basic inner join, and I will illustrate you about how to do outer joins in the coming lectures. But as of now, I will just utilize this inner join concept and what are the things that I did till now, and I will try to use this concept for creating a dashboard and for creating a maps as well as, and how to create a hierarchies and all I am going to explain in the next videos. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.